So many patients will ask me, what is an implant and what's it made of? So an implant is just basically a titanium screw. And so it's made of titanium, but there are so many different types of metals and alloys that different practices and doctors are using. My suggestion would be to use either a commercially pure titanium alloy, grade 4, or zirconia implants. We do use zirconia implants here as well. But in order to have long-term success, it's important that the materials that the doctor uses is a high-quality material from a company that you can trust, a company that's been around for a while. Some of these implants that are alloy, titanium alloy implants, an alloy is much less expensive than a commercially pure titanium. And so if the doctor or if the practice is cutting corners and they want to save costs, they will definitely use a titanium alloy implant. But here at Trust Implants, we only use the very best materials, commercially pure grade 4 titanium from a very respectable, qualified, studied company that does research and that has a lot of data to back up the implants and the materials that we use. So dental implants are made from titanium, but there's a lot of different brands and types of implants out there. And so it's important to do your homework and understand exactly what's being implanted into your body.